Jotend migepe MUSALIA Mudavadi opoyo Aguch omenda mar NSSF kowacho ni aguluno sani konyo e siro chenro mar sirkal mar gero apeyni, udi kaachiel gi chenro mamoko mag dongo uchumi ma pacho ka. Mudavadi wacho ni omendago igolo e aguluno konyo e gero apeyni, sekta mar teko, udi ma nengogi oyweyo kod chenro mag dongruok moseting'o malo kwan jogo mayudo tije e alworani, ka chenrono osenyuolo thuolo mag tije maromo 75,000 kendo ting'o malo GDP mar Kenya. Noloso e kind tielo mar 8 mar romo mar NSSF manobagi e boma ma Nairobi.
NSSF's expanding asset base deepens domestic savings, strengthens Kenya's capital markets, and supports long-term investments in infrastructure, housing, and productive sectors of the economy. The fund's investment in roads, energy, affordable housing, and enterprise development projects have stronger multiplier effects in creating jobs, stimulating local industries, and contributing directly to the growth of Kenya's gross domestic product.
For a long time, our saving culture has been weak, and retirement often felt like an afterthought. Today, we can with honesty say that we are changing that narrative together. Your NSSF savings are no longer viewed as another tax. It is building your tomorrow and contributing to Kenya's economic growth. Today, NSSF contributions are increasingly recognized not as a statutory obligation, but as strategic investment in personal and national prosperity.
Bengi mar Equity ochako ayanga chenro mar tiego jopuonjre